Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video. I probably get at least one comment a day of what theme, where do I get my wallpapers and stuff like that. Well, in Windows 10, you've got your themes that are available from the Microsoft Store. That's where I get all of the stuff that you see when I do videos, like the one you see right now. I'll show you what I have downloaded so you can actually check out and search for those themes if you wish to. And also, I'll show you how to actually get these themes. So, first of all, you head on to the settings. And in here, you go into personalization. Now, on the left side, you've got themes. And here is what I've got. So these are the ones that I've downloaded. And almost everyone that I've downloaded had some comments. So Amazon Rainforest, Bing Fall Colors, Bing Sunshine is the one that I actually am using right now. Cat Expressions, Melting Ice, Meteor Showers, Pumpkin Season. For the past few weeks, I've been having this one, which is the Sync theme, which is Winter Wonderland or something like that. Warm Winter Nights. Here we go. The name, yeah. Warm Winter Nights is the image. Of course, U.S. National Parks, World National Parks, and that's pretty much what I had. Flowers here, but I believe these were already pre-installed. So these are the ones that I've been actually using right now. Bing Sunshine is the one that I actually have right now on my PC. This is what you see here. Contains a certain number of beautiful pictures. Kind of trying to put myself a little more into the spirit of the winter is slowly going away now, and sunshine's coming back. So once again, if you want to have these themes, if you want to download themes and use them, all you have to do is go into your settings, go into personalization, and on the left side you'll go to themes. Here at the top it says apply a theme. Just below it says get more themes in Microsoft Store. So you click there, it brings you to the Microsoft Store. In the Microsoft Store, you'll see all the themes. What you do is you look at the themes, whatever you want to have. You just click it, and you'll see what it's all about. You'll see who makes it. A lot of them are made by Microsoft Corporation, by the way. You have an overview if you wish, and it tells you in the description how many pictures. Here's 16 images. You can see some of the screenshots from this and so on, and you've got suggestions, of course. So once you do that, you click the Get button. It's going to install on your PC. Now, once you actually do this, one of the things that you'll notice is that it will say Apply. It doesn't work for me, and possibly doesn't work. Some people said it doesn't work for them also. So if you click the Apply button once it's installed and nothing happens, don't worry. Simply go to your settings, go back into the themes, personalization themes, and just double click on it to apply. So if I double click cat expressions, for example, you see that it's now cats that I have got here. But if I double click the one that I just downloaded today, which is the sunshine one, Bing Sunshine, double click, here we go. And you see that it has also another effect. So you see here, this is what I've got right now. The themes are not just a set of pictures. It also is multiple changes within your system. The colors in general. You see that if I go to cats, my text is blue. Why? Because my computer is set up to kind of match whatever theme I have in the colors. I go to Bing Sunshine, the text now becomes kind of orange. And it changes everything, including start menu icons and tiles. So it does a lot of changes like this within the system. So it kind of matches everything with the colors that you've got. So that's where I've got them. That's the themes I'm using. Simply browse through these themes, and you'll be happy to see that there's a lot of stuff in here that you might find really, really cool on your computer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.